Sawyer small manual clamp is self-positioning and simple to use and maintain out in the rugged field of pipeline work. It comes standard with a hook, crank handle, and 49 feet of reach rod. The fully enclosed factory lubricated bevel gear jack box provides maximum pressure on pipe walls. It is designed to require little to no maintenance, saving you time and money. The clamp is available with hard or soft wheels and comes in pipe ID sizes of 6-inch or 8-inch, along with copper backups for automatic welding application. Sawyer's small manual clamp is field tested to make it work just for you.